want to really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
The former president of the United States, Donald Trump, has survived an assassination attempt. A bullet pierced through his right ear when he was addressing a rally in Pennsylvania.
Take a look at what happened.
He was soon rushed off the stage while his assassin, identified as a 20-year-old Thomas Matthew Crooks, was killed by the Secret Service right at the spot. An attendee in the rally was also caught in the crossfire and unfortunately got killed. Now, with the assailant being shot down, there are a lot of questions which have been left unanswered. For example, who was Crooks? Why did he want to kill the former president? And how did he reach so close to achieving his goal? Well, let's answer them one by one. Thomas Matthew Crooks, a resident of Bethel Park in Pennsylvania, positioned himself just a few yards away from the stage where Trump was addressing the rally. He used a semi-automatic AR-15 rifle to shoot the president. This weapon was purchased by his father just 6 months ago. And as soon as he took the aim at the president and missed, Crooks was gunned down by the Secret Service team. He was identified through DNA test and facial recognition technology, as he was not carrying any identification card. So who was Crooks? He worked in a local nursing home kitchen which was located just a short drive away from his home. He graduated from Bethel Park High School in the year 2022. And according to the media reports, Crooks' classmates described him as a quiet, good student, but also something for misfit. A classmate described him as a loner who was frequently bullied and sometimes even wore hunting outfits to school. Crooks received a $500 Star Award from the National Math and Science Initiative, according to newspaper reports, and he also had a membership at a local shooting club, the Clayton Sportsman Club, for at least a year. So when we talk about his political leanings, his record suggests that he may have had divergent political leanings. Like, Crooks registered to vote as a Republican, but made a small donation to a Democratic-leaning group in the year 2021. This group was called Act Blue. So why did this 20-year-old target the former American president? As of now, the probe is still underway. Some explosive material was found in his residence as well as in his car, but investigators have not found any evidence on social media or other writing by Crooks that might help identify his motive. By and large, agencies believe that he acted alone and did not have any mental health issues. Officers also believe that some planning had gone into his attempt to assassinate Trump. Now, Crooks' family has been cooperating with the investigative agencies so far, and how will this assassination bid alter the political landscape in the US is yet to be seen.